Do you know your Gruffalo from your Superworm? Try our very tricky Julia Donaldson quiz. Question 1. In Tabby McTat, what are Tabby and Socks's kittens called? Is it 1. Socks, Sophia and Stanley Sprat? Is it 2. Soames, Susan and Samuel Sprat? 3. Spot, Celine and Sausage Sprat? Or 4. Scones, Spoons and Simon Sprat? Number 2. Soames, Susan and Samuel Sprat. Question 2. In Superworm, which creature is the evil wizard? Is it 1. A snake, 2. A lizard, 3. A panda, or 4. A sausage dog? Number 2. A lizard. Question 3. In Tyrannosaurus Drip, what does Drip like to eat? Is it 1. Chewy steak and chips, 2. Fluffy mushroom omelette, 3. Yummy chocolate cake, or 4. Juicy water weeds? It's 4. Juicy water weeds. Question 4. In Sharing a Shell, what's this creature? Is it 1. An earthworm, 2. An electric eel, 3. A caterpillar, or 4. A bristleworm? It's 4. A bristleworm. Question 5. In Zog, what lessons does Zog learn at Dragon School? Is it 1. Cookery, science, tennis, painting and fighting? Is it 2. Flying, roaring, blowing, capturing a princess and fighting? Or is it 3. Swimming, jumping, PE, roaring and art? It's 2. Flying, roaring, blowing, capturing a princess and fighting. Question 6. In the Giant Jumperee, who is the Giant Jumperee? Is it 1. Baby elephant, 2. Baby llama, 3. Baby cat, or 4. Baby frog? It's 4. Baby frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Question 7. In The Smartest Giant in Town, in which order does George help the animals? Is it 1. Goat, mice, giraffe, dog, fox? Is it 2. Fox, giraffe, dog, goat, mice? Or is it 3. Giraffe, goat, mice, fox, dog? It's number 3. Giraffe, goat, mice, fox and dog. Question 8. In What the Ladybird Heard, what are the burglars' names? Is it 1. Manky Mike and Grumpy Gary? Is it 2. Dangerous Dan and Scary Sam? Is it 3. Lanky Len and Hefty Hugh? Or is it 4. Cheeky Charles and Troublesome Tom? That's right, it's 3. Lanky Len and Hefty Hugh. Question 9. In The Room on the Broom, what does the dragon want to eat the witch with? Is it 1. Roast potatoes, 2. Curly fries, 3. Chips, or 4. Hash browns? It's 3. Witch and chips. Question 10. In Jack and the Flum Flum Tree, which island do they sail to? Is it 1. the Isle of Blow Your Nose, 2. the Isle of Bogies, 3. the Isle of Monsters, or 4. the Isle of Cabbages? 2. It's 1. the Isle of Blow Your Nose. Question 11. In The Singing Mermaid, what's the name of the beach where the mermaid lives? Is it 1. Shiny sands, 2. Slippery sands, 3. Stony sands, or 4. Silver sands? It's 4. Silver sands. Question 12. In the Gruffalo, what colour are the prickles on his back? Are they 1 silver, 2 pink, 3 purple or 4 blue? It's number 3, purple prickles. Question 13. In Freddie and the Fairy, what is the name of the fairy? Is it 1 Luna Bell, 2 Katie Bell, 3 Bessie Bell or 4 Tinker Bell? It's 3 Bessie Bell. Question 14. In Hippo Has a Hat, what does Gorilla find to wear? Is it 1 wellies, 2 slippers, 3 trainers or 4 flip-flops? It's 2 slippers, bunny slippers. Question 15. In The Highway Rat, which bird traps him in the cave? Is it 1 seagull, 2 duck, 3 owl or 4 pigeon? It's 2 duck. Quack, quack. Question 16. In The Paper Dolls, what do the dolls sing? 1, we're brave, we won't let go. 2, we're holding hands, we won't let go. Or 3, we're scared, we won't let go. It's 2, we're holding hands, we won't let go. Question 17. In The Scarecrow's Wedding, what are the scarecrows called? Is it 1, Betty O'Barley and Harry O'Hay? Is it 2, Penny O'Barley and Barry O'Hay? Or is it 3, Nettie O'Barley and Gary O'Hay? It's 1, Betty O'Barley and Harry O'Hay. Question 18. In Stickman, who does Stickman help out of the chimney? Is it 1, the Easter Bunny, 2, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, 3, the Tooth Fairy, or 4, Father Christmas? It's 4, Father Christmas. Question 19. In Charlie Cook's favourite book, which animal jumped into the library? Is it 1, a lion, 2, a bear, 3, a frog, or 4, a kangaroo? It's 3, a frog. Question 20. In The Princess and the Wizard, what does the wizard turn the fairy godmother into? Is it 1, a bat, 2, stone, 3, a tree, or 4, a sausage? It's 2, stone. Question 21. In Monkey Puzzle, what has Little Monkey lost? Is it 1, his banana, 2, his teddy, 3, his jumper, or 4, his mum? It's 4, his mum. Question 22. In The Hospital Dog, what is the dog's name? Is it 1, Spot, 2, Smot, 3, Dot, or 4, Blot? It's 3, Dot. Question 23. In Tiddler, what is Tiddler's friend called? Is it 1, Little Johnny Dory, 2, Little Tommy Story, 3, Little Donny Rory, or 4, Little Lonnie Paulie? Of course, it's 1, Little Johnny Dory. Question 24. In The Cook and the King, what does the king want the cook to make? Is it 1, sausage and chips, 2, egg and chips, 3, chicken nuggets and chips, or 4, fish and chips? It's 4, fish and chips. Yum, yum. Question 25. In A Squash and a Squeeze, which animals does the old lady take in? Is it 1, donkey, pig, duck and sheep, Is it 2 pig, dog, horse and alpaca? Is it 3 hen, goat, pig and cow? Or is it 4 cat, goose, turkey and pig? It's number 3, hen, goat, pig and cow. Question 26. In Sugarlump and the Unicorn, where does Sugarlump finish the story? Is it 1 as a racehorse, 2 as a circus horse, 3 as a merry-go-round horse, or 4 as a farmer's horse? It's a merry-go-round horse. Question 27. In The Snail and the Whale, on which part of the whale does the snail travel? Is it 1 nose, 2 back, 3 tail, or 4 flipper? It's 3 tail. Question 29. In The Smeds and the Smooths, what colour is the baby? Is it 1 pink, 2 green, 3 purple, or 4 orange? It's 3 purple. And question 30. In The Girl, the Bear and the Magic Shoes, what's the name of the girl who buys the shoes? Is it 1 Jessica, 2 Joanne, 3 Josephine, or 4 Jolene? It's 3 Josephine. How did you do? Have a look where your score fits. If you scored 25 to 30, you are a Julia Donaldson super fan and a genius. But you have to keep reading.